a quick video on the new UC40 and the sound dampening function that we have. So this is the UC40 long range. There is a mid range and a short range. What I have connected here is the short range. So if I want to adjust the sound cone, I can go to basic settings. And once I get in there, I can scroll down to where I can start to see and adjust the sound cone. So if you're not very familiar with ultrasonics, they put out a cone, so it has a larger detection field, right, of what we can see. So that's great for seeing large objects that move around or see if a bin's full. But if we have something obstructing that we can see through, but it's interfering with the sound cone, with the UC40 we can adjust that to either ignore that section or shoot through a hole so we don't see it, so we can see something behind it. So what you do is you can see my hand here as I move it back and forth. It's moving on the software as well. So right now I am right at a little over 200 millimeters from the face of the sensor to this bogan arm, and you can see that represented here as well. So if I come to the interference echo suppression, I can start to adjust what that sound cone looks like. So if I wanted to completely get rid of this, then I could come down here and dampen it 100%, and it would ignore everything starting at 65 millimeters for 285 millimeters. So now if I move the box back and forth, I can reliably detect the box without detecting the clamp. But if I stick my hand in here, there's no way for the sound or the ultrasonic waves to get through it. But it will ignore anything that's in front of it as long as I can see through it. But let's just say I didn't want to completely ignore it. I still wanted to be able to see if something was there, but I need to be able to see through that clamp. So right now I'm deactivated. So I'll just start dampening this cone. Right now you can see I can still see this clamp, right? So if I want to keep on dampening, I can go all the way down to 100%, which I did a minute ago, or I can just start slightly dampening it and making it smaller until I no longer see the clamp, and I just detect the box. Or if I stick my hand in front of it, now I can detect them directly in front of it. And we can get pretty small with the sound cone. We'll just take it to 90. And you can see how small that cone gets. And we can do that for the entire length of our detection area. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this helps.